Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix iPhone that won't download apps. If your iPhone won't download apps, the issue is usually related to settings, network, or account problems. Most cases can be fixed with a few quick checks and adjustments. You can follow these steps to identify and resolve the issue. To begin, go to the control center and check your internet connection, like Wi Fi or mobile data. Then open the App Store. Try downloading a different app to test. Pause and resume the download if it's stuck. Restart your iPhone, then check available storage in Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and free up space if storage is full. Make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID, like Settings and your name. Sign out and sign back in if needed. Check screen time, content and privacy restrictions. Go to the iTunes and App Store purchases and ensure app downloads are allowed. Update iOS via Settings, General, Software Update, and make sure to install any available updates. Reset network settings via Settings again, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Network Settings. Try downloading the app again after the reset. Tip: if downloads still fail, check if Apple services are temporarily down or try again later. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.